Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to another video. So in today's video I'm going to share with you how you can go ahead and get free stuff online without paying, and then once you've got those products you can then go and flip them for profits. This is really simple to do. This is easy. Now I'm going to share a huge website with you. Now this website is updated daily and you can go ahead and you can search for products via different categories. They've been around now for a number of years, and what I would say to you is if you are going to go ahead and look at making some extra money using what I'm going to show you in this video, then just make sure you double check in the website. I'd say a couple of times a day because it is updated daily, and when posts do get put on there, because they're free, obviously lots and lots of people are going to be jumping on there. But overall it's a great website to use. It's really simple, it's really easy, and at this time of the year, coming up to the Christmas, it is just a really simple way to make some extra money. So let me jump into this now. So really quickly, before I jump into the video, if this is the first time you're on the channel, hello and welcome. On the screen now you're looking at one of my blogs, and this over here is obviously my YouTube channel. Now I blog and I upload videos daily about making money online and working from home. Now over on my blog here I've got a members area where it says awesome stuff. You see here, members area. There's lots of freebies in there. There's courses, there's PDFs, there's ebooks, there's tips on how to make money on eBay, there's tips on Amazon. There's lots and lots of cool stuff in there. So if you're interested in that sort of stuff, then go ahead and check out the members area, and I'll drop a link to that below for you. It's all absolutely free. You don't need to do anything. You can just simply go into the members area, click on anything you want, and then you'll download it instantly for you. So let's jump into today's video. So this here is the site, and it's called freestufftimes.com. Now this did used to have a mobile app available with this, but the app doesn't get updated anymore. So the best way to use this site is come into the website. Now it's updated daily, and on the left hand side you've got the last 10 freebies that were posted on here. It goes through these. You've then got Facebook, Twitter, you know, all the usual stuff on here. They've then got the archives going back over the year, and then you've got all of this other stuff down here. But if you just scroll back up to the top up here, you can go ahead and search this via all of these different categories. So you can go ahead and look for free products in any of these different categories on here. So at the minute I'm on the home page. So this here is 84 free Kindle ebook downloads. So on here, if we just scroll through here, you can see these are all of the Kindle downloads that are available. It then goes ahead and it filters them via category, so you can go through here and look at all these. There's just so many, and every single day this gets updated. So currently today there's 84, tomorrow there could be more, there could be less. So you can go through and simply click on any of these and then go ahead and you can download them for free. If I go back up to the top here, you can see here it says you can view them on the Kindle app, or you can download them onto your computer. Now a simple way of making some extra money with these free Kindle ebook downloads is once you've downloaded them, you can potentially go ahead and flip them. You can flip them on eBay, you can flip them on Amazon, you can flip them on your own website. All you need to do is just double check the license rights, because some of these they will not allow you to go ahead and sell them, but you will find that some of these you can go ahead and simply just sell the PDF, and I'll show you an example of this now. So over here on eBay, I've just typed into eBay keto food recipes, and then on the left hand side you see here I've clicked on sold listings. So this is for keto food recipes, as you can see here, keto recipes, and this is the sold listings because we're only interested in what's actually selling. We're not bothered about listings that have ended without selling. So this is the sold listings on eBay. So today's the 27th of November, so if you just scroll this down here, and I come down here, you can see here's one here. Keto slow cooker recipe. This is a PDF. This sold for £1.99. We've then got another one here, another PDF. This sold for £1.99. So once you've downloaded these ebooks onto your computer, you save them as a PDF, and then you can go ahead and flip them for money, free money basically. You can put them on Amazon, you can put them on eBay, you can put them on your own website or your own online shopping store. Just double check the license rights with them, because you wouldn't want to go ahead and be selling these and then get in trouble for doing so. But that is just one example. That is the Kindle books on here, and like I said, this does get updated daily. So if you're watching this now and you come back to this maybe in a couple of hours, it could then be 90, it could be 100, it could be less, but it's updated all the times, and all these categories do change. So that is a few things that you could go ahead and get for free and then go and flip them. Now let me show you a couple more things on here which I found. So this one here, this was one that I found earlier on here. So this here is some Airflinks lip balm, and then it's also got a solid lotion bar. If you click on the image, it makes it bigger for you. So you can see here, this is the product here. So again, this is another simple product that you could go ahead, you could get this for free, and then you could go and flip this. And you don't even need to use eBay or Amazon. You could use Craigslist, you could use local listings, you could use your online marketplace like the Facebook marketplace. There's just so many different places where you can get these products for free and then go and flip them for some extra money. And all this is going to take on your behalf is a bit of time, just coming over to the website, having a look at what's available, and then going ahead and grabbing it for you. So let me get rid of that. Here's another one. This on yesterday, but you can see this was November the 26th. This has actually expired because everyone's gone ahead and jumped on this, but this here was a free veterans mug and tea. So the offer on this one was you went through, you put in your name and your email and your address, and they sent out a free veterans mug and a sample of tea. So again, it's just really simple it's easy ways that you can go ahead and grab stuff for free and flip it. Let me get rid of that one. What's this? Oh, this is another one here. So this is some printables that you can sell. So this is what you get for free. You go ahead, you get this, and you could flip that if you wanted to. Now there's many other different things available on this website here. So at the top here, I've just come into contests. So they have daily contests and win games on here. So this is the latest one. You can get Starbucks for life. And then on the left hand side, there's all of these other giveaways and prizes on here. So if you wanted to, and you was into doing that sort of things like sweepstakes or entering for competitions, there's lots and lots of these on here. You can just find them at the top under contest, and you can just go in and select any of these, and you can go through and look at these. But that is pretty much today's video. So let me just go back over here. So if you didn't want to go ahead and be scrolling through all of these different, these different tabs here, or looking on the left hand side, you can come up to the top here and you can simply go through these different categories, and you can find different products in here which you get for free, and then you can simply go ahead and flip them for profits. It's simple, it's easy. You do not need any experience for this. You just get the product and then you go ahead and you sell it. Now some of these products will sell better on eBay or Amazon. Some of these products will sell a lot easier on the Facebook marketplace, or even on, like say, Craigslist or somewhere like that. It's just really simple. But whenever you log in, on the left hand side here, the last 10 freebies posted, these are funnily enough the last 10 freebies that have been posted. So you can see on here, you can go through and grab these. So there's some cool stuff on here. So free Disney movie rewards. You've then got some, what's this? You've got a tribal wall calendar for free. You've then got something to do with the App Store. So like I said, go ahead, have a look at this and check it out. But if you're looking for a way to make some, and I mean simple, easy money, then this is a great website to use. It's called freestufftimes.com. Now do not go ahead and get the app, because the app is no longer available. It is available, but they do not update it. So if you get the app, you're not going to be getting any of these here. So you do need to come over to the website direct to go ahead and check this out. You can also go and find them on social. They've got Facebook on here and Twitter, so you can go ahead and check out the Facebook and the Twitter page. But it's a great website to use. I'll drop a link to everything I've mentioned below. If you have any questions whatsoever, please go ahead and ask them. But thanks for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.